Have you heard about Global Capacity Center? Do you have any guesses? Global Capacity Center. Various kind of questions can be framed on this objective type, descriptive type. But the point is, these are making huge contribution in providing employment and also using our brain power for innovations, for research, for operations. Global Capacity Centers in India, more than 50 MNCs have set up their GCC in India. The first one, Texas Instrument, started in Bengaluru in 1985. They are also called captive centers earlier and sometimes called as global in-house centers or global capacity centers. By 2016, this number went to 1,000 and today 1,600 GCCs are there in India. According to PwC report, by 28, this number will grow to 2,100. With the market size, the centers will be touching to USD 90 billion. As per Wismatic study, 32 lakh people are employed in these GCCs, which are primarily engineers, scientists. These GCCs generate a revenue of 46 billion and by 2030, expected to generate a revenue of 221 billion, which is going to be 3.5% of GDP. This is the graph showing the number of GCCs, revenue, installed GCCs talent and number of GCC unit in India. They provide services in operations, product development, innovations across IT, BPO, engineering, software product development, service line, delivering complex work that requires significant understanding of the business context and imperatives. Government support these by giving them good under various initiatives like Digital India and helping them with policies of ease of doing business, easy tax regulations, easy compliance, flexible labor laws, single window clearing system. So these centers contribute to the parent organization's success and also propel India's economic growth, account for more than 1% of the country's GDP and share is expected to grow further. If this 1% contribution to GDP looking to smaller to you, you have to also understand these are new technology and it is going to further increase overall impact of such centers which are developed by top companies globally, build a culture, build an ecosystem of technological innovation. If you find this video useful, please like the video. It is very much required. I also need to understand how good I am doing and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. We are here to make your job preparation 50% faster.